Hi guys, today I'm going to be making for you all poutine. Poutine is the national dish of Canada, and how fitting it is to make it at this time because Thanksgiving is just around the corner. So for all of my Canadian friends, I hope that I make you all proud by doing this recipe. Now I'm making it with chicken, but you all can make it totally vegetarian, or you can make it with beef or with pork. So guys, if you've never had poutine, today you're gonna see how it's made, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. So let's move on. Let me show you guys how to make poutine.
So we're gonna start by cutting up our potato into strips or julienne, and I like cutting them a little bit on the thicker side because as they fry they would shrink. And you want to leave the skin on, so you'll make sure and scrub that skin properly so that there's no sand on that skin. Next, place it into a bowl with water and set aside. We're going to make a gravy for this. So to make the gravy, I'm going in with some butter into a pot. Allow that butter to melt. And then we'll add in some flour into the butter. This is creating a roux. And we're going to cook this until it has a light brown color. You want to cook out that raw flour taste. So once it reaches a light brown color, you're going to go in with some chicken stock. Now I'm using low sodium chicken stock from the supermarket. Usually I would make my own, or if you roast chicken, you can keep the drippings from that and use it in this recipe. You'd want to season with salt and black pepper to taste. Mix that in, and when your gravy is like this consistency, you're going to set it aside. You want it to always be on a thinner consistency because it will thicken as it cools. Now I'm using my homemade fried chicken. For this recipe, you can use pulled pork, you can use gyro pork, gyro chicken, even stew beef, whatever you want to use on this, you can. So we're going to fry our chips, and we're going to fry it for about 8 to 12 minutes. The recipe for that chicken is on my channel, guys. And I also have other recipes that you can use, either gyro pork and gyro chicken, gyro gizzard. When the fries are finished and are golden brown, you're going to drain it and salt it. And next we're going to build our poutine. So we're going in our bowl with some fries and some cheese, and usually cheese curds are used, but it was hard to find cheese curds, so I'm using regular cheese. And I'm topping it with some gravy. And then I'm going to repeat that with some more fries and some gravy again, topping it. Well, you put your cheese on top of the fries, then you put your gravy, then you top it with your chicken and some scallions to garnish. And that's as easy as it is to put this poutine together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know if you like it. Now I know this is not a traditional poutine, but this is just my take on this popular Canadian dish. So if you guys make poutine and you do it differently, please let us know down below how you make it. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!